well.
Right, a rather bizarre statement by the Shiv Sena, Vinaya, but thank you for joining us with those updates. Let's go across to Pranshu, who is with us. Pranshu, we can see this credit war breaking out. The Shiv Sena seems to have taken it to heart that they were not invited for the ceremony, despite the fact that the authorities have clarified that the guest list was substantially trimmed because of concerns regarding the pandemic.
Yes, see, that's right. See, I mean, there is Shiv Sena might be raising questions on the guest list, or others might be talking about the politics. But the fact remains that on this day, for people of Ayodhya, for saints and seers of Ayodhya, politics holds no meaning. Everyone wants to soak into the fact that the Prime Minister is coming here, and as Prime Minister, we all know that it is the first visit of Narendra Modi. Never as Prime Minister, when this case was in the court, he always said that let the solution come to the court. Now the court has cleared the facts. It has ruled in the favor of the Hindu side. Prime Minister is coming here, and BJP and RSS calls it as a reflection of the collective will of 135 crore Indians. So people here, you see the saints and seers here. Someone was from Maharashtra. I think people were from Maharashtra. Who was from Maharashtra? आप में से महाराष्ट्र से कौन आया था? आप महाराष्ट्र से कौन आए थे? जी महाराष्ट्र से आप आए थे ना? जी आप महाराष्ट्र से आई थी. So people are here from Maharashtra and they are above politics. देखिए आप महाराष्ट्र इसलिए मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री को नहीं बुलाया गया, आप शिवसेना कुछ आपत्ति कर रही है. क्या ये समय राजनीति का है या यहाँ पे जो भक्त लोग हैं उनको लगता है कि राजनीति बाद में होती रहेगी? आज महत्वपूर्ण दिन है.
राजनीति तो बाद में होती रहेगी, लेकिन जो महत्वपूर्ण दिन है उसके लिए तो उन्हें आना चाहिए था. लेकिन पता नहीं पॉलिटिक्स की वजह से उन्होंने क्या सोचा और वो क्यों नहीं आए, वो उनकी मर्जी.
उनको बुलाया नहीं गया.
उनको बुलाया नहीं गया, वो भावना उनकी अलग है. क्योंकि पता नहीं तीन सरकार होगी, क्योंकि उनकी सरकार ने एक बार राम मंदिर को विरोध भी किया था कि जैसे शिलान्यास का पूजन होता है कि वहाँ कोरोना फैल जाएगा, ये फैल जाएगा. उन्होंने शरद पवार जी ने एक बार कहा भी था. तो मैं इन सब बातों से दूर रहकर उनसे ये पूछना चाहती थी कि जैसे जब मस्जिद गिरी थी तो पहला जो मुद्दा तो वो बाला साहब ठाकरे का था, क्योंकि उनको आमंत्रण की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं होनी चाहिए.
बाला साहब ठाकरे के जो बेटे हैं, महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री हैं, उन्होंने 1 करोड़ रुपया भिजवाया है और नृत्य गोपाल दास जी महाराज को उन्होंने बधाई संदेश भी दिया है. वो संदेश उन्हें प्राप्त हो गया. उन्होंने कहा कि राम सबके हैं, राम हमारी आस्था है, राम के प्रति हम किस नाम से हैं, हमें इसमें राजनीति नहीं है, राम सभी के हैं. और उन्होंने
आज का दिन राजनीति का दिन नहीं है. आज का दिन सब लोग प्रसन्न है कि मंदिर बन रहा है.
सद्भावना प्रभु राम के चरणों में प्रेषित किए हैं. और
उद्धव ठाकरे ऐसे राम भक्त हैं जो अगली बार आए थे यहाँ जय महाराष्ट्र इतना अच्छा लगा था, और उन्होंने अपने फंड में यहाँ पे भेज दिया है. जो भी है. हाँ, वो आ नहीं सके सिर्फ करुणा संकट की वजह से.
Okay, so it seems, I mean, all these people here, and if you get a sense, the sense is that Uddhav Thackeray might be not here. Shiv Sena has donated around 1 crore rupees to the account. So people here still have a faith that Shiv Sena, the legacy of Shiv Sena and Uddhav Thackeray are committed to the cause of Ram Temple. It's a different story that he is personally not here, or it's a different story that politics may be playing out on this issue that he is not here. But the fact remains that people here are absolutely happy. They are upbeat. They don't want to talk politics at the moment. They recognize the contribution of Shiv Sena, the Bala Saheb Thackeray, the Uddhav Thackeray, as far as the temple cost is concerned, and everyone is eagerly waiting. Right across this Mani Ram Das Chavni's main auditorium is the Ramayan Bhavan, which again a massive bandobast has been done there. Hundreds of chairs have been put, a large screen have been put, so that once the event starts at the Ram Janmabhoomi complex and Prime Minister arrives, right from the moment he reaches the Hanuman Gadi, those pictures would be streamed live. And all these people would be then shifting to the other building to watch their Prime Minister and the other dignitaries going live with the Bhumi Pujan program.
Right, we can sense, Pranshu, the exuberance and the festive atmosphere amongst those around you. But stay on with us. Let's also go across to my colleague Anand for more. Anand, we have these visuals coming in of extensive sanitization being carried out in the premises of the area where the Bhumi Pujan will be carried out. Authorities clearly wanting to leave nothing to chance.
Yes, it is, and they don't want to leave anything to chance, and that's the reason why the invitee list, as per after consultation with the district administration, was trimmed to less than 200. 135 are dharmacharyas and sons and gurus from across the country. there is hardly any political representation. The BJP president is not there. So for the Shiv Sena to say that they have not been invited, or anybody else to say, well, the fact is that nobody has been invited. Milind Parande is the Secretary General of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad. He is from Maharashtra. He is not been invited. He is going to be on the outside. The fact of the matter is that Balasaheb Thackeray and many others have always claimed credit and said that we stood, and perhaps history was is witness to the fact that their claims have not gone hollow, and they will be remembered. But this is what Union Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has just put out. He has put out the original document of the Constitution, and he says the original document of the Constitution has a beautiful sketch of Lord Ram, Mata Sita and Lakshman returning to Ayodhya after defeating Ravan. This is available at the beginning of the chapter related to fundamental rights. Felt like sharing with you all. This is what is the spirit, and this is what Ram embodies. This is who Ram is for us as a country, and that is what the BJP is focusing on. And for the Shiv Sena to try and note this moment in history, well, that is a moment of truth, and Balasaheb Thackeray was there, and the BJP is not going to react sharply. Perhaps there will be reactions from the NCP and the Congress. We'll wait and watch. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Anand, for joining us. Thank you, Pranshu, as well, for joining us for the time being. We'll keep